Ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking for a job, there's many platforms out there. Today we're looking at Upwork, we're looking at LinkedIn. We want to know which is better for your job search.
Okay, jumping into Upwork. So Upwork is now transforming how humans actually work with AI. They've introduced their AI work agent, which is Uma, and it's really revolutionizing workflows and accelerating AI-related job categories. With over $300 million in annual gross service volume and more than 50% year-over-year growth, the platform is actually at the forefront of AI revolution. They also have the Business Plus, which is a dedicated premium offering, which serves as an indispensable tool for small to medium-sized businesses. This tier actually attracts higher spending customers with strong retention rates, driving sustainable revenue growth. Strategically, it's positioned to capture a significant share of the enterprise contingent workforce market. It's valued at an estimated $650 billion. And Upwork's scalable solutions meet the complex needs of large organizations. Having a look over here, you have access to over 130 work categories with more than 10,000 skills. You can connect with approximately 250,000 AI experts globally, ensuring you find the perfect match for any project that is required. Uma, which is Upwork's mindful AI, powers intelligent features including their best match insights, job post generators, proposal tips, and also Upwork's Chat Pro. And of course, all of these features, these tools will streamline the hiring process for a freelancer as well as somebody that's hiring, and it dramatically will improve the efficiency for both clients and freelancers. It also provides a dynamic alternative to traditional staffing models, delivering the agility and rapid deployment essential in today's rapid changing work environment. You can also scale teams up or down instantly, and it offers a robust, secure payment system which ensures peace of mind for both freelancers and clients, facilitating seamless transactions with escrow protection, milestone tracking, and also a dispute resolution mechanism, which can really help anybody that is looking for secure payments. So we're looking at LinkedIn. LinkedIn has been around for a long time, and it's a pretty strong marketplace for job seekers as well as companies looking for employers. So they have more than 1 billion global network. You get access to professionals worldwide, including both active and passive job seekers. And as a job seeker, you are able to be active on the platform and be hired for whatever type of work you're looking for. 83% of jobs receive qualified candidates within one single day, and the smart matching, which is their AI, their intelligent algorithms connect jobs with relevant applicants, which is beneficial for both parties. Having a look at the in-demand talent, right? So right now, if you are looking for a job or if you are looking to hire, LinkedIn is a pretty good place to start. So the AI automatically generates criteria to surface jobs to the most relevant candidates based on their skills, experience, and career trajectory. Now, this is always important because I see a lot of people jumping onto LinkedIn with a profile that is incomplete. And what they're trying to do is they are trying to get a job, and they're being unsuccessful in somewhat of a manner because their profile is not complete. So how LinkedIn actually works is you'll have employers find employees without employees actually or potential job seekers submitting any proposals for jobs, because quite simply their profile is optimized so that when somebody's searching for that type of talent, then they're getting a job. And I see this all too much. People do not complete their profiles. They don't optimize their profiles on any platform, in fact. So their latest innovations actually focus on effortless attraction and significantly improve applicant quality through their enhanced matching technology. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. So if you are having a LinkedIn profile, go and have a look at your profile and see how optimized it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many job search places out there, so many platforms. The real key takeaway here is to go and try all of them. See which one actually works for you. Which one do you have more success on? The key feature here is consistency. Make sure whatever you're doing it on a consistent basis. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.